Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to go past Z or beyond Z in Google Sheets. So right now, as you can see, my sheet ends on Z. If I want to go beyond it, just click on this little icon right here and it will select all of your table. Then click on the A column and click on Insert 26 columns right. And right now, as you can see, it inserted a whole new alphabet of your columns, and you can do that again and again. So let's say I want to do it again. I will click right here again, and then simply click here and click on Insert 52 columns right. Right now, as you can see, it added another alphabet of columns. Another 2 alphabet of columns, as you can see. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.